meditation creates manifestation. Okay, for those of you who don't know what manifestation is, I will explain it to you in 5 separate lessons. Thank you for purchasing manifestation meditation video from Parent Enhancement Program. I believe once you finish these 5 lessons, if you have any type of questions, I will answer them for you. I don't like the word easy because sometimes it's easy for you. It may not be easy for someone else. So we're going to practice how you can meditate and how you can manifestate your new beginning. We don't realize when we do certain things, we write out our future, and that is considered manifestation. We don't understand the things that come out of our mouth is so powerful that we bring what we ask for or what we say comes to be our future. So you got to be very careful when you speak, especially out loud to yourself, especially out loud to someone else. When you meditate, you got to be very careful on what you're meditating about or what you're asking a question about, because the answer may come fast and then it may come slow. So we have to be patient. So in these 5 lessons, I will teach you the difference and the goods, the pros, the cons of meditating and manifesting your future. What you say? You with me? If you're with me, continue on. I'll see you in the next video.